Hello everyone. In the vast sky, where there is no room for error and fear, steel machines rush at wind-splitting speed. That is where the pilot's bravery is tested, where fleeting moments can become legends. In today's video, we will witness dramatic journeys together. On Highway 16, an emergency situation turned the road into a tense rescue scene. An emergency helicopter landed in the middle of the road to pick up a critically ill patient being taken away by ambulance. Police quickly blocked traffic to create a safe space for the helicopter to land. A rare and breathtaking moment was captured on a car dash cam. A helicopter encountered an accident and was forced to make an emergency landing right on a busy highway. The pilot showed great courage when he flew the plane through the traffic, found a gap, and landed safely in the middle of the busy lane. One of the world's most secretive and expensive warplanes, the US B-2 stealth bomber, has descended to low altitude, flying close to the ground as it returns to its base in Fairfield. A rare moment in the heart of New York, the MH-60 Black Hawk and MH-6 Little Bird military helicopters of the US Army quietly flew slowly under the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. While flying in the air, the plane suddenly encountered a serious problem. Immediately, the pilot activated the escape system. The seat was thrown out of the cockpit. In a breathtaking moment, the parachute opened safely, bringing him slowly to land in the vast sky. Lightning hit a British Airways plane during a storm in São Paulo, Brazil on January 24th, forcing the flight to delay its takeoff for several hours, according to flight data. NASA's Space Shuttle Discovery, carried on the back of a Boeing 747, departed Kennedy Space Center on April 17 for its retirement flight to its new home at an aviation museum in the Washington area. The Sikorsky SR-64F helicopter quietly descended, gliding close to the lake's surface to carry out the task of watering. With the propeller rotating strongly, creating a swirling wind, the suction pipe from the fuselage quickly dropped to the water surface, sucking up thousands of liters in just a few dozen seconds. Immediately after that, it slowly increased its altitude and then soared, heading straight towards the fire. That moment was a testament to precision, power, and speed. A Croatian firefighting aircraft CL-415 made an impressive landing on the Antiba River to collect water to extinguish the fire. Residents living along the river were amazed by the pilot's skillful handling. The CL-415 then quickly took off and flew towards the fire that was breaking out in the jungle. The roar of the engines mingled with the excited cheers of the audience as the fuselage passed just a few meters above the ground. Many raised their phones and cameras, trying to capture this rare moment, when the power, engineering, and beauty of aviation combined into a top performance right before their eyes. The Mi-26T transport helicopter, manufactured by Russian Helicopters, has just completed an order to transport the 14-ton fuselage of another Mi-26 from the city of Yoshkar-Ola to the Rost-Verdal manufacturing plant in the city of Rostov-on-Don for repairs. Russian military television channels Zvezda said, the Mi-26 heavy transport helicopter was mobilized to hoist the Su-27 fighter into a display position at a Russian military hospital. The Mi-26 helicopter crew was tasked with transporting the Su-27 fighter jet from its base in Leningrad Oblast to the grounds of a military hospital in Gatchina to be used as a decorative monument. Video recorded by Brisbane locals captured a breathtaking moment. A C-17 Globemaster, 3 military transport aircraft, registration A41206, descended to a low altitude and deftly maneuvered between the city's skyscrapers. With a special emblem commemorating the 100th anniversary of the Royal Australian Air Force emblazoned prominently on its fuselage, the C-17 displayed not only its exceptional power and agility, but also its national pride. This daring display quickly attracted the attention of thousands of people, turning Brisbane's skies into a stage for an unforgettable historical moment. The moment the helicopter landed on the deck of a ship in the middle of the ocean was a perfect combination of skill, courage, and technology. In strong winds and rough waves, the pilot controlled the plane precisely to the meter, bringing it to a safe landing in the challenging space. Amidst the roar and strong winds of up to 320 kilometers per hour created by the V-22 Osprey helicopter's blades, the soldier remained steadfast in the front, guiding the pilot. As dust swirled, his hand signals became extremely important, helping the logistics team quickly hook supplies to the cable system under the aircraft's belly. Thank you for watching the video. The moments of plane crashes are not only breathtaking situations, but also a testament to the professionalism, bravery, and excellent responsibility of the pilots and technical team. Although the aviation industry always prioritizes safety, nature, and unexpected factors sometimes still bring unpredictable challenges. Hopefully through this video, we will understand more about what happens behind the cockpit door, where every decision is vital. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting content.